Hello Virgo, welcome to my channel. This is your weekly career, business and money reading from 16 November to 22nd November. Now being a general reading, not all messages might resonate, so keep whatever resonates. In this week, you get to know what opportunities could present itself in your work, money or business situation. Also what challenges or obstacles you could face, if any, so that you can handle them well. Now this is based on your sun sign and moon sign, so could check the other videos as well if messages do resonate, Virgo. So let's see general energies for Virgo, career, business, money from 16 to 22nd November. Career, business and money situation for Virgo's situation. General energies for Virgo, career, business and money. Last shuffle. Okay, let's start here. Two of Pentacles, lot of work, lot of hard work, Virgo. Two of running, finishing one work, going after another. So, but it's a card. Nine of Swords, Two of Wands, the Judgment, Three of Swords, Eight of Pentacles. So it's only showing that long working hours is leaving you a little stressed, it's leaving you tired, but you do not give up. You are putting in all the effort, although you are in that restless anxiety, it's causing you restless anxiety, not sleeping at night, this kind of energy you are in because of juggling, that is work and a business situation, or loads of work, that is like lot of work. Here it's plain and simple, it's about juggling and trying to balance things, to make forward movement, to move forward with targets, with goals, towards success, towards gains. That's what I get here, juggling. So it's about you are working long hours, you're putting in lot of effort, and that leaves you at times stressed, at times into anxiety thing. That's what, and you are still again, you're wondering, whether more work is required or what should I do, like, that kind of a thing. You want to regain your balance, which you might have lost. There were times in Virgo readings, I do remember, quite stressful financially, and work-wise it was a difficult phase. So that's what I can relate here, that you want to get back to track at the earliest, and you are leaving no stones unturned. I mean, you are putting all that is required to get back to the track again, get back that balance you were in before. Two of Wands and making a judgment. So some of you are making, there is an inner calling, there is a true calling, so you are making a decision regarding something you have been waiting on for quite some time here. It could be a business idea that you want to take action, it could be a new project, it could be a new job situation, so it's suddenly you get an awakening, a true calling, so you're going to make a decision here. This card, along with that, something from the past also could return to you here. You could either go back to them, if it's a company, if it's a project, you could be going back to them, or they could approach you, something from your past here. But you will make a call regarding, it seems more of a business, or that earlier you weren't ready for that, but now you want to give it a shot on it. So it is like it will resonate differently for you here. You will also reevaluate, you are in a period of reevaluation. That's what I get here, inner reflection. So but you are making a decision, it's a sudden awakening, sudden call, you are getting an inner calling, and you will make a decision regarding this situation that you have been waiting on, and you will take it forward. That's what I get here, Virgo. Yeah, so it's more about expansion, or it's about moving to another location, relocation, or travel, leaving your comfort zone. Yeah, that is what I feel here. Leaving your comfort zone, you may be delaying or procrastinating some certain things, but now you will take a call here. That's what I get. Three of Swords with the Eight of Pentacles. Three of Swords, this is about your stress it's about disappointment, it's about, you know, so maybe financially you are in a crunch, it seems here, financial crunch, so you're feeling a little disappointed, a little left out, a little low energy, hurt, pain, you know, there were a lot of responsibilities to deal with. There was major, you know, issues that happened in your recent past and you dealt with. But now with this 8 of Pentacles, you are regaining your balance, you are putting all your hard work emotionally. Also, you are more stable, you know, you are taking controls of your emotional and putting all the work, you know, you started putting consistent hard work, consistent effort, and you will see that, you know, you can immediately see the difference, that, you know, you will see that it will start showing results also. Initial results you can see, the dividend, you know, the hard work that you put in will start showing dividends as you put in the work. So you understand that, you know, you will come out of this energy. If there was any, if there is, like, definitely it's there for some of you. So you are coming out and you are fully focused on work and you are regaining your balance and, you know, getting back on track. That's what. So there is an improvement in your work as well as your personal life, in relationships here. There will be personal gains too. That's what I get here. So in this we get 2 of Pentacles, 8 of Pentacles. So some of you, you know, you are you will get money from all the hard work that you have put in here. So it's in your job, partnership, business situation. There is no money, there is no money luck or something, not that kind of money here. But 8 of Pentacles, for whatever hard work you have put in, money could come. It could be buying, selling, brokerage, investment, share markets, you know, from a business deal, from a project for some of you here, from a business deal, from a project, yeah, buying, selling of immovables. So this is the money thing that I get here. So this is it, Virgo. I'll just pull out an angel guidance card. Angel guidance card for Virgo. Angel messages for Virgo. Sorry. Angel messages for Virgo. So let's take this one. 7 heavenly virtues, keys for goodness. I'll just take one more card. Knowledge. So this is, you know, these are all the good habits a human should have. 7 heavenly virtues is like, you know, being a good human being is what I would say the gist of this thing. It's written, so key to goodness. So being a very good human being, practicing what is, you know, good in terms of spirituality, in terms of religion, in terms of growth, in being human. That's what I feel here. Then you have knowledge, so gain more knowledge. Knowledge will get you success. This is what I get here for you, Virgo. So this is it. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like, and thank you so much. Stay blessed.